How to record Google Meet video calls. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you quickly and easily how to record your Google Meet video call. So this is the Google Meet homepage, and if you're on your Chrome browser like this one over here, you can just go over to the right hand side. You've got your Google Apps and you can access Google Meet right in here. That's what the icon looks like. So once you click on that, this is what the first page will look like. And you can go ahead now and you can either enter a code or link that has been given to you by somebody else that has created a meeting, or you can simply tap on the new meeting. Now, once you've tapped on new meeting, you can either create a meeting for later, you can start an instant meeting, or you can schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. And these are fantastic features. Right now, we're going to jump into start an instant meeting. Now it says joining and loading. So what we're going to see now is the actual Google Meet interface. And now it's said that my camera is on, and it says on the left hand side with a window, your meeting's ready. So you can now add other members just by tapping add others, and you can enter in their name or email address. You'll be able to go ahead invite these people over here. Another way to invite people is by copying this link, and as you can see it says copied meeting link, and you can send this link to anybody that you would like to have join the meeting. You can send it to them however you would like to send it to them. Once you are done, you can go ahead and close that window. Let us have a look now at actually recording this meeting. So we're going to go down now to the bottom of this screen, and there are three dots. It says more options. We're going to tap on that, and right over here, right at the top, it says whiteboard, and then the second from the top, it says recording unavailable. Now, if it was available, it would not be grayed out like it is, and I would be able to click on it and it would record my meeting. So how do we get around this? Well, you need a paid plan. It is a paid feature. So let's have a look at some of the requirements. So we're going here into the Google Workspace individual help, and if you go to this page, you will be able to type in what you'd like to actually get a help tab on. So I typed in record a video meeting, and over here it shows you how to actually record a meeting. And then the next tab over here says requirements to record a video meeting. Now, once you open that, you can see it says you can record video meetings with these Google Workspace editions, and it gives you an entire list of the editions that you should have to be able to record a video meeting. Also, it says if you're a Google Workspace administrator who manages Google Meet for your organization, you must first allow meeting recordings. So the way you will do this is, if you're an individual and you'd like to create an account, a paid account, you can go ahead to this page over here. Let us exit this call. We'll return to our home screen, and from this home screen there is a tab here that says do more with Meet, and once you open that, you will find this page. Here you can create a paid plan, and you can actually be able to have access to the recording a video meeting. If you are an organization, or if you are a Google Workspace administrator, you can go ahead to this link, allow meeting recording, and you will find the Google admin, and you can access that by typing in admin.google.com, and you'll get to your administrative page where you will be able to allow all of your team members to record their meetings. And there we go, folks. That is how you can record your video meetings on Google Meet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comments section below, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Bye-bye, folks.